In an age of rapid globalization and technological advancement, is it possible that there are still corners of Earth untouched by human hands? While much of the planet has been explored, developed, or inhabited, there are still mysteries, pristine areas that remain free from direct human influence. These untouched places hold unique ecosystems, breathtaking landscapes, and mysteries waiting to be discovered. There are many places on planet Earth which has been untouched by the human hands. But here are some questions. How have these places remained untouched by humans? What unique ecosystems thrive in such isolation? Can these areas help us understand what Earth was like before human intervention? How can we protect these regions from future exploitations? Why is preserving untouched places essential for humanity and the planet? Let's explore the video. First of all, we will look at some ancient perspective related to it. These tribes trace back origin thousands of years, maintaining practices like hunting, gathering, or farming that predate recorded history. Cultural isolation, geographic and environmental isolation has helped them preserve their ways of life. Interactions with outsiders, encounters with colonizers, explorers, and government have shaped their histories, often with adverse effects such as disease or displacement. Origins in survival. Many customs emerge from practical needs such as hunting, techniques, shelter building, and food preparation. Spiritual connection. Rituals often honor deities, spirits, or ancestors, reflecting a holistic worldwide. Social cohesion. Customs reinforce community bonds, define roles, and mark significant life events like birth, marriage, and death. Adaptation and resilience. Tribes have adopted their traditions to changing environment while preserving core beliefs. Now we will look at these amazing places. Number 1. Gangkhar Pyunsam, Bhutan, the world's tallest unclimbed mountain, shrouded in cultural and spiritual significance. Number 2. Amazon Rainforest Core, Brazil, Peru, Colombia. Deep regions remain inaccessible, harboring unknown species. Number 3. Namib Desert, Namibia. Vast, remote, and home to unique life adapted to extreme conditions. 4th, North Sentinel Island, India. Protected and inaccessible due to its indigenous Sentinelese inhabitants. Number 5, Surtsey Island, Iceland, a volcanic island off limit to human presence for scientific study. 6th, Tesengi T. Bahamara, Madagascar, razor sharp limestone formation project this region from human encroachment. Number 7, Daintree Rainforest, Australia, one of the oldest rainforests with parts difficult to travel. Number 8, San, Kalahari Desert, Southern Africa, among the world's oldest surviving hunter-gathered cultures. Hadza, Tanzania, nomadic foragers with traditional dating back tens of thousands of years. Huli, famous for their intricate wigs and vibrant cultural ceremonies. Now we will talk about their famous customs. Maasai jumping dance, a ceremonial dance where Maasai warriors leap high into the air, showcasing strength and agility. Yanomami, shamanic healing, rituals involving hallucinogen plants to communicate with spirits and heal the sick. Huli Wigman, intricate wigs made from their own hair, symbolizing tribal identity and status. San Trance Dance, a spiritual dance for healing and connecting with ancestral spirits in the Kalahari Desert. Apache Sunrise Ceremony, a 4-day rite of passage marking a girl's transition into womanhood. Korowai treehouse living, building homes high in trees to protect against predators and floods. Himba red orche coating. Women in the Himba tribe of Namibia coat their skin with a raw orche mixture for protection and beauty. Now we will talk about some fascinating facts related to them. The Maasai's traditional shoka leg cloth is not only symbolic but also helps deter predators like lions. Yanomami shamans often use tobacco and ayahuasca in their spiritual practices. The holy wigman spends months crafting ceremonial wigs, often dedicating them to significant life events. The sun trance dance can last all night, demonstrating incredible stamina and spiritual devotion. Himba's woman's red orche mix called Ochis is made from crushed iron oxide and butterfat, symbolizing beauty and vitality. The Sentinels have lived on North Sentinel Island for over 60,000 years, making them one of the oldest uncontacted tribes. The Sun people have one of the most ancient genetic lineages, often called the first people of Africa. The Huli tribe's colorful facial paints and ceremonial wigs represent tribal affiliation and traditions dating back centuries. The Hesta language is a linguistic isolate unrelated to any other known language. Now we will talk about some of the challenges faced by these people. Number 1. Modern encroachment. Development projects and deforestation threaten their lands. Health risks. Contact with outsiders often bring diseases to which they have no immunity. Cultural erosion. Exposure to modern media and globalization endangers their traditions. In the end, I would like to say that the tribes that continue to live in ancient ways are invaluable custodians of human heritage, offering us lessons in harmony with nature, resilience, and community. Preserving their way of life not only honors their unique cultures but also enriches our understanding of humanity's shared history. Supporting their autonomy and protecting their environments ensures that these timeless traditions endure for generations to come. I hope you will like this video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. I will meet you in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.